Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection so your device will be able to connect with the server and check whether you've got the updates or not. And then let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, and as you can see here we've got the option system update. And right now all we have to do in order to check the updates is to tap on online update. Of course you can tap on a local update, but basically it will transfer you to your own files and the storage, so just tap on online update and your device will check whether you're up to date or not. As you can see, in my case, my system is up to date. I've got the Android version 13, so I had all of the updates downloaded. And of course, if you're up to date, you will receive the same information. However, if your device will be allowed to download the update, you will have proper information about it. You will have the information about what is new in the update, what kind of fixes has been applied or what bugs has been fixed, etc. And you will be able to simply tap on download somewhere here and your device will download the update and apply it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.